This is the right time for general ophthalmologists to get on MIGS because it's going to shifting toward a new standard in glaucoma care. You better learn it now to stay ahead of the curve.
The MIGS Masterclass aims to give an overview of MIGS in general.
We will discuss about who needs MIGS and how to do MIGS so you can master your move to a better outcome and better option for your patients.
We'll aim to provide an overview of the literature and have a hands-on dry lab with some supervision with glaucoma and cornea specialists who have had experience in this area.
So the MIGS Academy was established to address a deficit in surgical training in ophthalmology. So historically there was a focus on conventional training, nothing in the curriculum that specifically addressed minimally invasive glaucoma surgery. And that was at odds with what was happening in clinical practice, where minimally invasive glaucoma surgery was being adopted exponentially. The burden of glaucoma, when you look at mild to moderate disease, most of that is in comprehensive ophthalmology practices. If they're not offering MIGS surgery, those patients are missing out on an opportunity.
Because you have a greater opportunity to interact with patients needing cataract surgery that may also have glaucoma, this is an opportunity for general ophthalmologists to enter this new and up-and-coming technology and apply that to your practice.